Welcome students to the second session of Tutorial India on crafting compelling content, and it is the second session of blog writing that we have discussed earlier in my previous blog. So today we will learn that how you can craft a compelling content for your blog. So let's get started with our first slide. Identifying the blog topics. The first and important thing that you need to understand that how that while you start to write a blog, it's to identify the topic of the blog that you need to write. Understand here topic means here the topic of the blog selection comprises of three steps. First, understanding the audience needs. Second, trending topics that people are searching on Google or any other search engines. And third is keyword research tool. So in the first section, we will understand that how to understand the audience needs. Researching and understanding the target audience pain points, interest, questions, help to generate relevant and valuable topics. You need to make a complete research, a thorough research that what people are searching on the internet, what people are searching, which topics people are searching more, whether it is a trending topic or it is an evergreen topic. To keep this thing in mind, you need to keep an eye on the industry trends, news, popular discussions that can inspire fresh and timely blog content. Now you may ask that question that why timely blog content is important, because when a trend goes on, then it lasts for a specific period of time. So if you selecting a trendy topic, then you have to write it very quickly. You have to write it very quickly, and you have to deliver it within the specified period of time, so that it do not, as a trend laps out after a very limited time. So keep this thing in mind while writing the blog topic. Keyword research tools. There are several keyword research tools, some paid tools, some free tools are available today. So before writing any blog, make a proper keyword analysis with the help of various tools like Google Keyword Planner. It is absolutely free. If you it is absolutely free. But if you make investment on it, then they will show what is the keyword volume in numbers and what is the keyword difficulty in numbers. Otherwise, it will hide the numbers, and it will show, if you use the paid version, it will show that what is the traffic volume, that is, it is low or high or medium, or what is the keyword difficulty, it is low, high or medium. You will not get any number, quote unquote number or figures. But if you use the paid version, then you will get the figures. The same thing goes for, but in SEMrush you will get the numbers, and only 14 free trial you will get per day. So you need to keep a check on your research. Keep this thing in mind while making a content keyword research with the help of SEMrush. Same thing goes for Ahrefs. Ahrefs also in the keyword gap tool, in the keyword gap section that is present in the footer section of Ahrefs. There you will get the keyword. You will get the keyword idea. What is its difficulty level? What is going to be in the future? And what is its keyword volume? So these three tools are the prime tool that help you to make a proper keyword research on which you want to write a content. So I think this slide is clear to you. If you have any questions, ask me later after the end of this session. Okay, or you can drop a comment in our comment box. So let's move to the next slide. Now comes the important part of writing a blog, that is structuring the blog post. So this part is completed within two sections, two slides actually. First is introduction of the blog. Second is body content that you write in the blog. Third part is formatting. Third part is conclusion. And fourth part is formatting. Okay. Crafting a compelling introduction that hooks the reader and sets the stage for the content to follow. The hook that you maintain in your blog is the prime factor that will dominate whether your blog post will be visible to the ACRPs or not, whether your blog post will be read by the user from top to bottom or not. It is the most determining factor. The second part is body content, organizing the main content into your logical sections with subheadings, bullet points and visuals can enhance the readability of the content. Third is summarizing the key points, forwarding all call to action, encouraging reader engagement in the conclusion is the third structure of blog writing. The last is using short paragraphs. Always when you write blogs, make use of short paragraphs. Do not extend the length of the paragraph beyond 20 words, of any sentence beyond 20 words. Do not extend the paragraphs or any sentence of your blog beyond 20 words. Okay, 20 sentences. So keep this thing in mind. While writing the blog, you can use bullet points. It can make the blog much more catchy, as you can highlight the points that are important for the readers to read and understand. You can do the bold or italic, break up the content and make it scannable. Make short paragraphs so that it can be seems to be much more appealing to the eyes of the reader. So it is also, after the completion of the writing, formatting of the blogs plays a very important role. So keep this thing in mind while writing a blog. So next, move to our next slide. Writing an engaging content. There are two formats of writing content. That one is only giving information. Second is storytelling. Weaving narratives, anecdotes, or case studies into the content can make it relatable and engaging for the readers. Use of multimedia text and images. Incorporate images, videos, interactive elements to enhance the content and create different learning styles. Because pictures and videos speaks better than words. So if you can use more pictures and videos in your content, then it can be much more appealing in the eyes of your target audience. So keep this thing in mind while writing a blog. Writing engaging content, the voice and tone that you use, developing a consistent and relatable voice that resonates with the audience and reflects the brand's personality. The voice and tone of your writing must reflect the brand personality, and what we are doing, what is our objective, what service and products we are offering to our clients. You need to clarify these things clearly to your target audience through your writing. So keep this thing in mind while writing your content. Addressing the pain points, because if your article do not address the pain points or the problems of your target audience, then it will be of no use. So keep this thing in mind while writing in content or blog post, because the blogs are written to to make it much more valuable and impactful in the eyes of your target audience. So along with this discussion, I am ending this slide also. So let's move to the next slide. Editing and proofreading. The last part, if we have come to the last slide, here I will discuss that why proofreading is important and editing is important in a blog post. Clarity and conscious, to maintain the clarity and consciousness, to maintain the grammar, to reduce the grammar and spelling mistakes, fact checking, peer review. What is clarity and consciousness? Ensuring that the content is clear, concise, and free from jargons or unnecessary complexity. Do not use any unnecessary jargons or complexity in your content, because the reader, you do not know the level of knowledge a reader possesses, who is reading your content or who is consuming your content. So keep the content as simple as possible. Make it as clear as possible so that a child can also understand what you are trying to say through your writing. Grammar, these are some specific things, small things actually, but creates a big impact. if your sentence construction is wrong, if there is any spelling mistake, if any typo error or inconsistency, then the visual appeal of the contents get deteriorated. So keep this thing in mind while writing a blog post. As you are a content writer, you are not supposed to do any silly mistakes like this, like grammatical errors, sentence construction error, or any typo error, or any error in regards to spelling mistake. So keep this thing in mind. Verifying the fact checking, verifying the accuracy and statistics quotes and references using the blog post. Before after the blog is written, verify thoroughly that whether the facts that you want to highlight to your clients or your readers is properly done or not. If it is done, then the blog is complete. Otherwise, it needs modifications. Peer review. Seeking feedback from the peers or colleagues to gain the insights and improve the overall quality of the content is very important. It can boost the chances of your brand visibility. So keep this thing in mind while writing a content or blog post. So along with this slide, I am ending this session, and in our next session, you will learn how you can promote your blog. So if you have any confusion regarding this session, you can tell me in our comment box. I will prepare another separate video for you. So till then, have a nice day. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel Tutorial India, and wait for and we will come back with a next session and much more interesting things you will learn from it. So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day ahead.